What's up, everyone? It's Brandon. Dividend increases are an essential part of the dividend growth investing process. If a company doesn't routinely increase its dividend, it could mean fundamental problems with the business model. Because of this, I intend to keep you informed of potential increases every month. In this video, I summarize 5 reputable companies that I expect to announce dividend increases in May 2022. If you find this information helpful, please subscribe and ring the notification bell to be notified of future uploads. It helps my channel and I genuinely appreciate the support. Now let's get started. Okay, so before I discuss the companies that are expected to increase their dividend in May, I'd like to take a minute and talk about the companies that actually announced and confirmed dividend increases for April in 2022. So first on the list is American Express, ticker symbol AXP. The company increased their dividend by a massive 20.9%, bringing their new dividend to $2.08 per share annually. Then we have Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. They increased their dividend by 4.5%. Their new dividend is 92 cents per share. Next on the list is Colgate-Palmolive, ticker symbol CL. The company increased their dividend by 4.4%, and their new annual dividend is $1.88. Next on our list is Costco. Costco typically has higher dividend increases, and this year is no different. Costco increased their dividend by 13.9%, bringing their new annual dividend to $3.60. W.W. Grainger, ticker symbol GWW, increased their dividend by 6.2%, bringing their new dividend to $6.88. Next on the list is International Business Machines, ticker symbol IBM, who increased their dividend by 0.6%, and their new annual dividend payout is $6.60. Next on the list is a favorite of mine, Johnson & Johnson, ticker symbol JNJ. They increased their dividend by 6.6%, bringing their new dividend to $4.52 per share annually. Okay, next on the list is Kinder Morgan, ticker symbol KMI. Kinder Morgan increased their dividend by 2.8%, and their new dividend is $1.12. Procter & Gamble increased their dividend by 5%, and the new dividend is $3.65. Last but not least is the Southern Company, ticker symbol SO. The company increased their dividend by 3%, and their new annual dividend payout is $2.72. First on the list of companies that are expected to increase their dividend in May is Cardinal Health, ticker symbol CAH. Cardinal Health Incorporated is an American healthcare services company that specializes in pharmaceuticals and nuclear medicine. It operates the most extensive network of radiopharmacies in the United States. Cardinal Health has been growing and increasing its dividend for over 17 years. They have a really nice dividend yield of 3.25%. However, the previous dividend increase was a little bit low at 1%, and also a low compound annual growth rate over the course of 5 years at 1.8%. After years of decline, the company's share price shows signs of life after a rebound of 17% over the previous 6 months. The stock feels painful to hold due to the lack of capital growth and weak dividend growth. However, the company has seen consistent revenue growth for several years. The increased revenue allows Cardinal Health to fund its dividend program and secure shareholder confidence. The company has a remarkable history of dividend increases, but unfortunately, I expect the upcoming raise to be similar to its previous one. The next company expected to increase their dividend in May is the Clorox Company. Clorox, ticker symbol CLX, is an American manufacturer and maker of consumer and professional products such as bleach, Kingsford, Formula 409, and Burt's Bees. The company has over 8,800 employees. Currently, Clorox has a strong history of increasing its dividend at 20 years and a pretty nice dividend yield at 4.5%. The 5-year compound annual growth rate is pretty solid at 7.71%, so I'm hoping that their next dividend increase is much stronger than their last at 1%. Shares of the Clorox Company are down 18% over the last year after reaching all-time highs during the pandemic. However, the company is still highly profitable thanks to its portfolio of household cleaning brands. Because of this, the lower share price presents a clear opportunity for income investors. Currently, the company's free cash flow is weak, but should be able to cover the dividend in the short term at least. Clorox has been paying dividends for 44 years, and I don't see that changing anytime soon. It's hard to imagine the increase being in line with the previous, but somewhere between 3 and 4% is more probable. This brings us to Lowe's, ticker symbol LOW. Lowe's Companies Incorporated is an American home improvement retailer with almost 2,200 stores across the United States. The company sells tools, construction equipment, and lumber. Lowe's has been growing and increasing its dividend for almost 58 years, and they have a dividend yield of 1.54%, which is really stable. The previous increase is a massive, whopping 33%, and their 5-year annual growth rate at 17.98%. Many analysts predict Lowe's will see 20% returns annually over the next 5 years based on revenue estimates. Because of this, many dividend growth investors are bullish on Lowe's. The company is expected to announce a substantial dividend increase in May, even in a bearish market with rising interest rates. I am long on Lowe's and feel this is one of the best dividend growth stocks for retirement in the S&P 500 index. Next up is Medtronic, ticker symbol MDT. Medtronic is an American-Irish medical device company. The company is the world's largest pure-play medical device maker, with products such as insulin pumps and numerous diabetic supplies. Medtronic has been increasing its dividend for the last 43 years, and they have an impressive dividend yield of 2.38%. Their previous dividend increase of 8.6% is slightly above the 5-year compound annual growth rate of 7.94%. Medtronic stock price is down almost 19% over the last 12 months. However, this is short-term pain with a long-term gain for patient investors. I like MDT's rock-solid history of dividend increases for 43 years. Additionally, the dividend's 5-year average growth rate is promising at 7.94%. Again, the lower share prices present an excellent opportunity for income seekers. I believe Medtronic's dividend is safe and expect to see another increase similar to the last. Last but not least is Northrop Grumman. Northrop Grumman is an American aerospace and defense technology company and is one of the world's largest weapons manufacturers and U.S. military technology providers. They've been increasing their dividend for 17 years, and they have a stable dividend yield of 1.36%. The company previously increased its dividend by 8.3%, and the 5-year compound annual growth rate is at 11.77%. Northrop Grumman saw an incredible 700% growth in stock price over the previous 10 years. The company has multiple major defense contracts with the United States government. These contracts typically mean that the company's performance and revenue growth are almost predictable, which is critical for long-term dividend investors. Recently, the company has won decades worth of new contracts for multiple platforms, and like Lockheed Martin, I love the predictable dividend growth of Northrop Grumman. It will be interesting to see how much the dividend increases later this month. Well, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more dividend growth investing and personal finance videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.